the fastest way to get hot leads to your LinkedIn profile. You know, LinkedIn is the predominant business social media platform, and businesses and people from the businesses are all over that platform. So if you sell anything, whether it's to another business or to a consumer, they're probably on LinkedIn, but they're in a totally different mindset. When they're on LinkedIn, they are in the business mindset, as opposed to, say, Instagram, where you might be looking for recipes or pictures of beautiful places to travel, or Facebook, who knows what goes on there. Just know a lot of people are there, but it's not like LinkedIn. People on LinkedIn are in a business mood. So if you are looking to grow your business, it would be wise to start spending some time on LinkedIn. One of the things that you do on LinkedIn is you create a profile. And that profile is where your prospects go. They check you out. Hopefully you have a call to action there and they follow that call to action, get on your calendar or whatever your call to action is, and they take that step towards working with you. But how do you get those people to your profile? How do you get them checking you out? That's what we're going to be covering in this training today. For those of you who don't know me, it's Chris Prouty. For the last 22 years, I have had thousands of paying clients who love to serve people and get paid to do what they love. And I do it in a way like you might not think. I help them grow their businesses in a very unique way that we just don't see anybody else doing. So we're talking about your LinkedIn profile and driving traffic to your profile. Think about it. If you have a profile that demonstrates your expertise and your authority, shows that you're trustworthy, when your prospects show up there, they're going to want to take that next step in working with you. And we want to get them to your profile. So the very first thing that I want you to do is optimize your profile. I talk about this all the time. Let's make sure you have a great banner, really good headshot. Let's make sure that you have a LinkedIn cover video. That's when somebody clicks on your profile photo and a little 30-second video shows up where you can pitch them. You can give them a 30-second elevator pitch right there on your profile. Very few people know about that. We also want to have a great summary and headline. We want to make sure that we're using all of the right hashtags. In fact, I'm going to talk about hashtags in just a few minutes. That's going to make your profile very magnetic. And so when people show up to your profile, they're going to feel like they're in the right place if you can help them solve the problem that they're looking to have solved. The second thing that you can do to drive more visitors to your profile is leverage your network, leverage the people in your network. You could simply reach out to people when you post new content and ask them to check it out. If it's meaningful to them, you could ask them to share it. You could ask them to share your profile with people who might need what you do. The whole point of having a LinkedIn network is to leverage the power of that network to get you more clients. So asking people to help you is totally okay to do, and I would encourage you to do that. The third thing that's going to drive people to your profile is the content that you create. Creating educational content that demonstrates expertise and authority is going to make you a trustworthy sole source for the solutions people are seeking. They're going to come across your content. They're going to find it, whether because it's shared, commented on, liked, or they're going to find it in search, and they are going to go check you out on your profile. So we're driving more traffic to your profile by creating great content. The fourth thing that I would like you to do is the appropriate use of hashtags. Hashtags in your profile, hashtags in the content that you create. But you want to use a hashtag strategy that's going to extend your reach. In the program that I offer, which helps people, I do their marketing with them. I teach them how to do it, and I do it with them. I teach a hashtag strategy that works incredibly well. But whatever you do, find a hashtag strategy that's going to help you extend your reach. By the way, if you're curious about what it's like to be taught by me outside of this small video, you can go right here to proutyclass.com. And when you go to proutyclass.com, you can take a free workshop that's going to show you even more ways to attract clients to your business through LinkedIn and through other socials. So just type in proutyclass.com and go check out that free on-demand workshop. Just go right there and you can start learning the second you show up on that page. So we just talked about hashtags, and then the fifth way is contributing positive information into groups. By positive information, I mean educational stuff, encouraging stuff, Find LinkedIn groups where your perfect prospects are. Go in there and develop relationships. Whatever you do, don't go in there trying to sell. You're going to get kicked out of those groups. We all know that. So go into those groups and contribute educational information, help people with their transformations, give them some guidance, give them some encouragement, cheer them on. And people are going to be like, well, who is this person that's just giving and giving and giving? They're going to click on your name. They're going to go to your profile, and we're driving more and more traffic to your profile. And that's how you get it done. If you do this consistently, you're going to start to see a lot more visits to your profile. It's going to help you out immensely, especially if your profile is optimized, which you did in the very first step. And while everything that I just taught you is incredibly important, it might not be the only thing that you need right now. So I'm going to put a video right here for you to check out right now that's going to help you get even more clients into your business. And if you click on my face right here, you can subscribe to this channel and get alerts every time I create new content like this.